Hey there, frustrated by a delayed flight? No need to worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim compensation for your delayed flight in India. The process may seem complicated, but stick with me and you'll see it's actually quite simple. So first things first. Did you know that in India, passengers have legal rights when their flights are delayed? That's right. According to Indian aviation rules, if your flight is delayed by more than 3 hours, you can claim financial compensation from the airline. The amount you receive will depend on the specific circumstances, but it can be as much as hundreds of euros. Now, the process of claiming this compensation can be daunting, especially if you don't know where to start. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. And I'll show you how to make it even easier by using a partner service that specializes in flight compensation. Start by visiting the website where you can submit your claim. The form is super simple to fill out, and you'll need details like your flight number, date of the flight, and the reason for the delay. Once you submit these, the team over there takes care of the rest. They handle all the legal work for you, making sure you get the compensation you deserve. If you're wondering about how much you can actually claim, well, that depends on the distance of your flight and how long the delay was. Generally, you can expect compensation for delays over 3 hours, but the amount might vary. But here's the good part. You don't need to worry about handling this yourself. I'll make things even easier. Check out my recommended partner service, where you can file your claim quickly and effortlessly. They've been helping passengers recover what's rightfully theirs for years, so you can trust that your claim is in good hands. Just follow the link in the description to get started. So, the next time your flight is delayed, don't just sit and wait. Get compensated. Use the service I've linked below and reclaim the time and money you've lost. It's fast, efficient, and worth it. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you've ever claimed compensation for a delayed flight.